In this video, we're going to be putting in a temporary wheelchair ramp here for my mom. The very first thing we need to care about is the height that we need to clear from here to here. We already measured it. It's coming in around 6 inches. And then the other dimension that we care a lot about is the width of the opening to this doorway. So in my case, that is coming in at 35 inches. This is not going to be ADA compliant because to be ADA compliant, you would need a slope of 1 in 12. So for a 6-inch rise, that means you're going to have 72 inches or 6 feet of run. And I don't have 6 feet. So I'm going to be shooting for something that looked reasonable to me, which is 32 inches. And so for now, what we're going to do is start building the framing for this thing. I have 3/4 ACX, which is exterior grade plywood, and then I have some 2x6s, which are really 5.5 inches in width that I'll be using. So I'll show you guys how we cut that, measure it, and assemble that. Again, this is temporary. I'm not going to be screwing into the wood or this concrete. I just need something I can do quickly and on a budget. So stay tuned and we'll show you guys how that comes out. So the very first thing I'm doing here is cutting my 2x6 lumber to length. So I have a 35-inch long piece for the ledger board, which is the board that's going to butt directly against the door or the wall in my case. And then for the 3 joists is what I'm going to call them, are what's going to support the actual decking from dropping through. So those joists are going to be tapered and they're going to nail into the top of my ledger. And I'm just cutting these boards right now on a table saw. Now on the joist boards I have, the 32-inch long rips, I am using a 4-foot level here to connect the diagonal on both sides. And I'm going to use the 2 pieces that come off this as individual joists. So I get 2 for the price of 1, and I do that 3 times. To cut the diagonals on the 2x6s, I'm using a corded circular saw because my cordless ones kept dying on me, and even my corded one ended up popping my 15-amp breaker. So these are pretty tough cuts to be making through your material. So whatever you can do, just take your time, try to make a clean cut across your diagonals, and we'll get to the next step. So now I've got my hanger right here. This is 35 inches long. That's what this piece is going to be. And then I've got my 2 32-inch diagonals or joists, however we want to call it, that go down to 0 like that. So basically, just like on a deck, our joists are going to go into this hanger like so, something like this. The first step for me is going to be fastening the joists into my header up to top, and then we'll be able to start putting in that 3/4 ply to finish off this ramp. I used a table saw here to cut the 3/4 plywood that I had to be the same width as the ramps that I was building, but if you don't have one, you could also just use a circular saw that you used earlier to make these cuts